Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on share key profile updates on your LinkedIn app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go up, you will click here on this picture here. Then it's going to show for you window like this. You click here on settings and you come to settings window here, just waiting to show for you like this. You click here on visibility here and you come to visibility window, just go down here and you come here to share profile updates with your network. You will click here and it's going to take you here. You come here to share gay profile updates. You will click here on this sign and like you see this color show for us, that's the main share gay profile updates. It's on now. I wish know you are good. That's all, so just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.